Good morning. We are ready to begin our Remembrance Day Assembly. Please stand as choir sings O Canada. Students and staff of Drewry, welcome our Remembrance Day ceremonies. My name is Carlin, and Sam will be your me and Samuel will be for his MCs for today's assembly. Why do we celebrate Remembrance Day? We must remember, if we do not, the sacrifice who those 1,000 Canadian lives will be meaningless. They die for us, for their homes and families and friends, for a collection of trainings of the church and the future they believe and died in for Canada.
Whom do we remember? We honor those Canadians who were killed and served in World War I, World War II, the Korean War, and United Nations peacekeeping operations around the world. These soldiers were most often not that much older than you. They left behind school, graduation, girlfriends, families, hockey, games, and hanging out with their friends. They made sacrifices so that you could enjoy these things today.
How do we remember? The fighting of the First War stopped on November 11th, 1918 at 11 a.m., the 11th hour and 11th day of the 11th month. Since then, across Canada and many other countries, people gather on November 11th to honor the courage of television of brave men and women who have made the ultimate sacrifice of dying for their country. We've honored for those who fought for our country by attending Remembrance Day ceremonies by wearing poppies. As we now listen to the poem by a Canadian soldier.
I am a Canadian, wounded and slain. Now under a cross I will remain.
There was no stone to carve a name, for lives and lives you see the same.
Beside our fathers, cold and still, who fought for us and God's great will. The day arrived to land in France, to prove to erupt our only chance.
The plains above, a terrible din, a death ahead, we had to win. The sandy beach, a welcome gave, and now it's too a watery grave.
My body still, my heart did stop, but my spirit lives up there on top. I hear the tears when we fresh arrive to take our place in a new drive.
The guns are now far up inland, leaving behind blood-stained sand. Now it's quiet. I heard one say, boy, some planned that June D-Day. The folks at home on bend knee hoped and prayed for all and me. I did not care if I die, for we must win all nation allies.
Though I am dead, I cannot rest till you can say we've done our best.
So don't forget me, men count on you to help them out with lore and truth.
Please bow your heads for a moment of silence for those who have given their lives for our country. And now the choir sings in Flanders Field.
Singing for all the guys were full. Don't open
Classes were asked to make wreaths in an act of remembrance for those who have sacrificed their lives for Canada. Enjoy the photos of the Drewry staff and students showing their respect.
Now we're going to listen to the short poem called Little Poppy by Mrs. Douglas's class.
Little puppy,
Little puppy, given for me.
help me
Keep
to Tara. She she.
I want a little puppy Adrian. Iris can be so I darling, but so for me.
The choir will now sing. We have all the flowers gone. This song was written as a call for peace.
Thank you for supporting our soldiers of the past and present by virtually attending our Remembrance Day ceremony.
Thank you to everyone who joined us online today. Thank you to all the staff and especially Miss H, our music teacher, for all her hard work teaching us, to Mr. McDonald for recording these ceremonies.